I want the world to know say that you when you FootaHype not straight. Me know say Bounty Killer show was not 100% successful, but I know that it was not so much free ticket giveaway as much as Alkaline show. Alkaline show have half a free ticket. Half of that show in a Barclays Center was free ticket. But Alkaline have a party account in Florida, and Alkaline name a call because CJ Milan have a party with Mavado, Spice, Beanie Man, and many more DJs, and she just shut it down. And that's why Mavado stopped use him. Because Mavado realized that him I use him, and even when time him pay him, it's still never enough FootaHype play. But FootaHype still want to live on the bottom of the house, at the hill, where if Mavado live on top of the hill, him say him to live at the bottom. Usman want to live at bottom. You know, she say, boy, I like bottom. All this time, this man here come, the man come here the other day, come tell you, say, him have a OnlyFans page. Who's blood clot straight man have OnlyFans page. And, you know, my cell phone, all Bounty Killer baby mother contact me. Yeah? And this I want to baby mother contact me. Me know that girl ya. Me know that mockers ya. That mockers ya fuck off the whole I DJ them. And me have everything for them in my phone. Up past stage. Let me show you something. You see as bad as thing maybe me just meet the Marco the other day. And me call the Marco out on stage already. Look at God. Me call out the Marco on stage already and me just meet him the other day. Me no meet the Marco a year yet. 1 year no pass since me meet the Marco. And me go dance with the Marco and me call him out on stage. Ask the Marco if I lie. Me never say them boy a FootaHype a call out nobody on stage. You understand? Me no sooner call out nobody on stage, brother. As bad as thing maybe you no have no friend them, but no friend them nah use you know. And I like say them they in a places wanna can't go. Them they in a same America, yeah. Where them have dance and them nah use you for big you up. But you know why? Because you nah use them neither. You no use your own friend them because enough time me hear you play and I never hear you play your friend them song. But yet you come out here and talk about some man who wanna say, who nah big up. Enough time here you say you big up all Spraga Benz. You big up that one here. You big up that one there. I don't hear you play a Sizzler. I don't hear you play a Buju Banton. I don't hear you play a Capitan. Me no hear you play Evil Yaksta where you have on your show the other day. Me no hear you play them. So if so be the case that you and these people are friends, why you just mix up your comp and the live them with? Why you can't come out and speak about Yaksa accomplishment in the music? Why are the mix up part of Yaksa? Yaksa one big pussy idiot. Him nah no sense. Ask Yaksa if him have sense. And tell him to go check FootaHype page and say FootaHype play him song. Una have one big mix up where you try to verify something on the internet, but yet still never play your own song. Make that make sense. Make that make sense. Make it make sense. You have one dirty mix up where you come and try to clear up the fact that I Show Speed you did not know who he was. But you try to clear that up, but your song never play. Promotion is everything. Promotion is everything. If you are an artist and you are having an interview with me, I guarantee you I'm going to play your song. That's how it's supposed to go. Oh, so did you know who I Show Speed? No, I did not know him. Well, so what I clear you try clear up the fact that the youth stand up with that shit in a plate. Yeah, try clear that up. But you now play him song for sure the world say, this a Yaksa and him sing this. Him sing this. Oh, no, now try clear that up. For sure the world say, the youth have song. Sure the world say him have song. On a quick for come out here so, anytime that youth just say, a man out here so, with some type of viral moment, is the time him grab that person and use them. And them not see same I use them. You know, we never see when I youth here use them. You know why? Because you don't pay attention. You don't pay attention. So you know, we never see when him I use them. You see it? Bro, you have to know when I use people I use them to enrich themselves. Because at this, I want me see FootaHype to all I know. As soon as something go out there, and him say, yo, him can get them out there to give them to give his opinion. just to go viral. That's what FootaHype do. Do you ever, alright, you see FootaHype can't anybody in a one regular conversation for talk about music? Unless I mix up, him not have nothing to do with it. You have to in some mix up, him have something to come out, come try to go out like him and try to clear up something. He's not trying to clear nothing up for you guys. This man is using you. And that's why Mavado stop use him. Because Mavado realize that him I use him, and even when time him pay him, it's still never enough. Bounty killer seat in a FootaHype. Even when you pay him, it's never enough. Other artists come out and talk about FootaHype and say the reason why me not go around FootaHype is because when time FootaHype see you with money, FootaHype feel like say not until the money done, you not finish pay him. If him charge you 10 grand and you give him 10 grand, Foota believe say not until the money done. You never got you got owe him for the rest of your life. Me see him talk about one youth where him say them day in a one dance one time, and because him not drink liquor, him then I dance with the man, and him and the man them there, and him a say, boy, when time them spend thousands of dollars in the dance, and when time him go so now and say, ma go home, and I drive the dog home, he look at the dog and say, dog, so let me get $2,000. And the man look at him and tell him no. Him say him vex with the man after that. Him vex with the man after that. Why? Because the man never give him $2,000. Yeah, boy, on a fish. A man money on the blood clot rely upon for live. You understand? No boy care say Kevin call them and don't sort pan this in them for their money. I want to know. Me work for my own. Me not like boy things. Me not like girl things. Cause when girl give you things, girl chat you. Girl will come out here and rub your out for things where you have for them. That's why me not drive girl car. Me not take girl house key or nothing. You say me not pay bills. Me not have nothing to do with it. You understand? Kind of girl can play me, no girl can walk over me, and no girl can use me. I mean, I use nobody girl pitney. You understand? Me is you like to have my own. Me like when a woman independent and me want them have them own apartment. So when time you're independent, me independent, we both are two independent motherfucker out here. So that means you not have much to say about Kevin. You can't say, oh, you're just itching up in fucking house, you're not doing nothing. You're not paying. No girl can't say that. None. No girl now have that right for look on Kevin and say, Kevin eat up in them house and them up them food. None. You understand? So me is a boy like this, me independent, me like to stay independent, me I like people things. You understand? Yeah, man, a Sunday in a family, I put nobody in my box, you know. Yeah. Me is a youth like that. Me want to be independent. I me like to do things for my own time, bro. You understand? My own time. It's simple as that. Me is a youth like this. Me now have nobody I feel like so they can use me or play me in any bumbuckler way them can play me. You can't play me. Because me now don't say I play you. You get me? I say, me is a man give respect to where respect due, yes. But you see beside that, me as a youth, I gotta be me. Because I am one Kevin. And I'm have to hold myself up, yes, so. We are up in the sky where nobody can come talk about, hey, him borrow my car. Oh, him give me money for buy gas. Oh, him this, he go suck on, hey, go suck on and go lift up on a mama. No boy, no girl. No dear, none at all. You can't do that. Come in and give that leverage there. Foota the only man me here come out and come bash people upon them own money. Me and the man cuss out Mavado and say, Mavado pussy because Mavado have a house on the hill. And if I ever down below on the bottom of the hill, him for there. You know, say boy like bottom. You know, say boy like bottom. The man say him for live on the bottom of the hill. Eh? A man a go come out and come cuss the next man. Because the man now want blow out game a house on the bottom of the hill where him live. You ever hear nothing like that yet? You ever hear a man a cuss the next man? Because the man work hard for fee money. And the man use him as a selector and pay him. Tell me if this right. Vado pay FootaHype when time FootaHype play. But FootaHype still want to live on the bottom of the house. At the hill, where if Mavado live on top of the hill, him say him live at the bottom. Usman want to live at bottom. You know, she say, boy, I like bottom. All this time, this man come, the man come here the other day, come tell you, say, him have a OnlyFans page. Who's blood clot straight man have OnlyFans page? What you do with OnlyFans page? What you do upon that? What you sell? Woman over there sell them body. What you a sell? Body? Bro, me no want none of come make it look like someone try to fix things to that youth ya. Feel look good enough because the youth ya don't look good in the public eye. Because the youth ya show him hands to no and act like someone don't see it. Remember the man come out and the man take a picture go and dance, you know. I think when him come to New York and him go at the UBS Arena, you understand him take the picture, but the reflection of the picture show one man in it. You understand? And the man look fishy. So we start beat him. And him have to come out and say, no, he's a woman. I'm a landlord. So we turn around now and we are say, dog, if your landlord is actually a woman with a on a side there, how you live there? Because you are the man who burn out anything when not straight. So how you live with a lean woman? Make it make sense. Tell me wrong now, man. Me wrong? If you burn everything when not straight, that means you have to burn your landlord too. So how you live with your landlord and pay your landlord rent? Your biggest investment in a foreign is going to the community that you burn. Your biggest investment. Because most man rent are the highest bill them pay. Allow me I tell? You see that you pay rent or mortgage are the highest bill you pay per month. Your rent. You get me I say? Light bill cheap. You don't pay water rate in America. You see me I say? Gas bill cheap. Your rent are the highest bill. Even your car note me cheap. Because when I drive no good bumbo clock car foreign. So all your car note may be cheap. But what me I try to say is your biggest investment go to the community that you burn. You have to stop burn them. You don't have no leverage to burn them. No. When it comes to you, FootaHype, and burning fire, we not agree with your fire because leave somebody else to do it. Because you're shaky. No shaky man, no fear burn another shaky man. No shaky man. You get me I say? Oh, you're shaky boy, you're burn the next shaky man. Now make it make sense. Eh? And then you try to come mix up some man where you know say no shaky. If you look shaky because you want to be comfortable with your sexual preference. Brother, be comfortable with you being what you are. You are on the other side, we all know that. But don't try to put everybody there. Everybody know the way you're there. And some of them fish up boy ya. Wanna get no youth yet. Pussy come out for the internet and fuck some puss-pum. Go get some pussy. Me I tell you that. Some of the boy if you come out for the internet and go look at a girl. You get me I say? Some of the boy out there come go like say, on the straight. I don't know straight in no bomba way. None at all. None of is given fish because when you take the picture, I don't go take the picture and make. When I go make an example out of a man picture. See what you mean a boxers. But yet when you take the man picture, I want to post one on the left and one on the right and one underneath. You see son of batty man dog. Why would you take a man picture that you see and you say it not right? I have fine print underneath that is disclosing if this is not for you, bro. Leave it. And not for everybody. Vibes Cartel actually going out in a robe and in boxers. Hey, you know see me what meet up. You think in a boxers alone? You fucking go and wish. You go and wish. You go and wish. You will never see me now. All of me got beach. I have on 2 shots. A shorts and a boxers. You understand? But me see the man then get to the part as some waste man settings. But the man then want to come and talk about Vice Cartel in a G-string. The man in a brief. Oh, FootaHype see the man in a brief. A brief, the man have on our boxers. Which one it is? More have to know. Was Vice Cartel in a brief or boxers? Because I now watch them video there, you know. The video them and my video them. You get me? I say, me glimpse the video and me see the word sitting up where me been have one of this. And you can deeply. You understand? You can deeply go check the video them when me make. I see how long me have this.
The pussy.
You understand? Yeah, man. You can deeply go check the video them. And then you go so and figure it out. You see it? Check the video them. Me have them something, I do video in them, you sitting there a long bum buckle at time. So me know the next thing all some waste man like FootaHype would I say, oh, follow them, follow. No man, no follow you, no. Me notice me come up with a style from what here. Well, Stone Love. Me see you the video, and that me here you gone with. What you go say? And me here with it. Pussy, you sit down and watch me like dog. I want to man, go watch a next man, bro. You see me I say? Go watch massacre them. Go watch a man them way involved in your relationship. The man them who passed through your baby mother, or the man them who currently in a relationship with your baby mother. Go watch them. And I'm here for what? You understand? My pitney them, now if you see you a fuck, none of my baby mother them. But your pitney, if you see some other man a fuck out your baby mother. And I know me. So guess what? The other man them will have sex with your baby mother. And I me. Yeah, you see me? Big up Aishana, and big up the rest of your baby mother them. But none of them woman there, I have never looked, none of them brother. So you know have no reason why me and you're supposed to even eat me. You see me I say? Yeah, come out here, I'm talking truth. Good God, man. FootaHype, somebody have to talk your truth. And somebody have to burn you because you're a man where make you look like say you have the straightness down pat and you're straight and you're not straight. More on the world for know say that you tell when you're FootaHype not straight. OnlyFans. Why FootaHype have a OnlyFans? Why? Why Foota would have a OnlyFans? That makes sense to you, Jamaica? Jamaica, that makes sense to you? My people, does it make sense to you when FootaHype say have a OnlyFans? That makes sense? The OnlyFans are what them a sell. Where he must sell over there? He must have sell something. Where he must sell? And the man, I do something for the girls them, and you want to take it up. You take up where the man do for the girls them. And him not do it for the man them, him do it for the girls them. So why you pick it up? If a man do something and that not have no involvement to do with you, and the man do it for the girls them, why you pick it up? And that more want to know. Why you will pick up things where not have nothing to do with you? Sometimes you know if see some things and leave it alone. And everything off every bum buckler body. You want to see a man in a boxers and you want to pick him up and run with him. You see naked man, you run with naked man. You see man a fuck girl in a them body, you run with girl a man. I want to tell you, man. Are the only bum buckler man means he come out all the time, have all the things to say. Oh, me have my cell phone, and in my cell phone, all bounty killer baby mother contact me. Yeah, and this I want to baby mother contact me. Me know that girl ya. Me know that mockers ya. That mockers ya fuck off the whole I DJ them. And me have everything for them in my phone. Lisa, I come and give me all the information. Can't tell you better buy Lisa a car before me start talking. You know. Brother, it's over a year you know, and you not talk yet. What was the conversation that you and Lisa have? Where you get such a private information that you can't let out. Come like the other day you come out and talk about the Rasta man. And you not call the Rasta man name. Why you not call them name? I don't understand why you not call them name. Because you're big bad and bold, you know. You're Mr. Big Bad Wolf, you know. So if you're Mr. Big Bad Wolf, why are you scared of some people? It's like some people scare you and some people don't scare you. You understand? When you hear the name 90s, you remember when you get broke up. Pussy. When you hear that name, you remember when you get broke up. But yet you have to say, 90s boss, are you done? And I see a man them broke you up. See a man them broke you up because you take money from them for Mavado. And Mavado never come at a party. This same man them broke up your blood clot FootaHype. This same man them where you talk about are you done. Broke you up. The same man them. But on the tough wet. Bro, none of the boy can play with around here, so. You understand? None of the boy can play, no man around here, so. What you know want style? No owner style. Because you see when FootaHype come out here and talk all the time, I want the people pay attention. Anytime you hear a man come out and I say, oh, me have the information. Bro, if him they have the information, he would have publicly post it. You understand? If FootaHype have anything with an artist, enter in and out bottom, FootaHype would have posted that long time. FootaHype would have sent it to Moon 10 and tell Moon 10 to post it. You understand? Where you hold that for? Eh? Me not hold that. Me remember one time somebody sent me one blood clot video. The youth where they call DJ Magnum in a Guyana. I'm send the video right away to Blood Clot Mountain and say, Mountain, them video you can't go on my page. It was a video where him on the bed with a bumbo clot lubricant. Zin and him girl have beat him. She have him handcuffed. He was already handcuffed on the bed because him did there with a man already. You understand? And the man run out when time the man girl come and the girl beat him. You understand? And when the girl done beat him, the girl ask him, who for lubricant is this? And him say, I fear one. The girl say, me know my things, that are not my one. What you do with this? Boy, I have lubricant and blood clean and thing there. Dildo pan bed. And him did a burn Vibes Cartel at one point. Remember, brother, me telling you this, you know, everybody when me see rise up against Vibes Cartel, you know. In them never last too long, you know. Them never last too long, I'm telling you. Everybody when me see rise up against Cartel, that man don't owe me more, but them never last too long. I don't know what he's doing, and I don't know who he's talking to, but I can guarantee you that he don't have to fight nobody. Nobody, Cartel are the only man me know don't have to fight a battle out here. The battle them just a win. Me never see a man who beat somebody in a clash and him not open me mouth. Being the man come out here and him a try rub out Cartel in a one clash, him lose. Lose. Massacre come out here and do it the other day, lose. I lie me I tell me when me I lie. Stop me when me I lie. Massacre come and try this Cartel the other day and I lose him lose. We don't even see Massacre. Where is Massacre? Where is Massacre? I'm asking that question. Come here, Nico for you say, Cartel put on the robe and the boxers because he want to come back and take a highlight because Massacre done the place and we all know that. Where the fuck is Massacre? Can you tell me? Because the only person near me here I call right now, truthfully, and right now feel name I call because right now him have a party I come up in Florida and Alkaline. Alkaline have a party I come up in Florida and Alkaline name I call because the CJ Milan have a party with Mavado, Spice, Beanie Man, and many more DJs, and she just shut it down. And that's supposed to be this weekend on the 22nd, the 23rd, and the 22nd is going to be Alkaline. You understand? But because it's Memorial Weekend that the party a fall on, and where they are doing the party is doing in a place where them have something like East End Parkway. So them did rely upon that crowd of people there where I go come at the party and shell it down. But ticket now sell. CJ Milan say she shut the party down because of family emergency. Ticket now blood clot sell. CJ Milan tell the people them the truth. Ticket was not selling and look how much giant they on the flyer here. Mavada they on it. If any Vibes Cartel they on the flyer there, ticket sale would not be a problem. We already proved that over and over. If Mavado was on that flyers, ticket sale would never be the problem. You understand? Yes, man. Ticket sale would never be the problem. Because I know it's not the boss they on the flyer. So ticket sale is a problem. You understand? Nobody now buying a blood clot ticket because it's not Vibes Cartel they on it. It's not a high demanding artist. You understand? These artists were they on the flyer, yeah, them have some tune, them have whole heap of tune, Vada column, but Vada column with Vibes Cartel, not without Vibes Cartel. You understand? Certain risks for run. Me say, alright, me say Barclays Center, and me say Vada in a Barclays Center, Bounty Killer in a Barclays Center, and that field. Me see them come here come talk about Alkaline show bigger than Eva Cartel show, which was a fucking lie. Maybe you could have run a risk and say the Alkaline show turn out better than Bounty Killer. But even that, me not think say Alkaline show even turn out better than Bounty Killer show. Because at the end of the day, we still can't see how much money that they made when it comes to that show. I still don't see how much money they make. You get me? I come from. So if I'm gonna sit here and tell you say Alkaline show turn out better than Bounty Killer show, I'm going to tell you a lie. Because me know say Bounty Killer show was not 100% successful, but I know that it was not so much free ticket giveaway as much as Alkaline show. Alkaline show of our fighter free ticket. Half of that show in a Barclays Center was free ticket. Bounty Killer show was a show where I think was more successful than Alkaline show. And if you have public proof of I'm telling a lie, then you come with a blood clot proof. Don't come tell me say a lie, me I tell unless you have the proof. Because Bounty Killer show sold tickets. Alkaline show gave away ticket. You can't keep using this. One I try to do. When I try to use Alkaline for say if you can size up with Addy, and Alkaline is not selling ticket, Addy is selling ticket. So what makes sense to you? Having an artist that sell ticket within a show that you're trying to make money, or an artist that don't sell ticket? Which one makes sense to you? Are you gonna hire Alkaline who don't sell ticket or Vybz Kartel who sell ticket? What you try to do? Get friend from these artists or get your fucking money's back and your money's worth? What you try to do? What you try to do? Because I need my money's worth. Me need my money back. Me need to know so one time me a keep a dance. I'm going to hire a Tony Mataran. Me need to know say party I go sell. And if me say boom boom I go sell the party, boom boom me I go hire. If me say no I go sell the party, I know I me a hire. If me say DJ Kenny I go sell the party, me a hire DJ Kenny. Remember when Stone Love was the name of Jamaica, where any dance we keep a Stone Love. Remember when time Metro Media was that sound. Remember when Silver Arc was that sound. Remember when Rolex 4x4 was that sound. Remember in my community when I saw him Invader was that sound. You understand? I'm telling you, bro. Renegade. Remember when Renegade was that sound. Remember these things. You understand? As a man who got dance and play a sound, remember when none of them sound yeah, was the sound them who were run the place, brother. We are run the ground. You get me I say? And that me I try to tell you. So, if you don't remember the sound them where did I run the ground, me remember some of my sound them where I run the ground up till now. You see me I say? And just like me say, no for no get on a chance. No for no do no time. You see me I say? Vybz Kartel got jail and last 13 years, come back out and get back a little small chance in a life, and the man goes and start execute. What did he do? What that is different from the rest of artists them. All right. Let me show you something what Kartel do different from most of these artists. Kartel got jail with him friend them, and him never leave him friend them behind. Him never leave them at jail. Him bring him friend them back. Why for the behind? You understand? But him never leave him friend them at jail. When time Kartel come out, Kartel walk out with two of him friend them. Walk out, him pay out of him pocket money for lawyer to make sure them youth come back a road. If the man pay money, how much friends would do that? Jamaican have them loyal people there. Me I tell you that. Jamaican have loyal people like that. Kartel change the game. You hear me? Kartel change the game. And the word loyalty, him change a game there too. And that me I try to tell you. What Kartel do, no boy now do it. Kartel they are jail and Kartel have people who claim say them are his father. People who claim say them run with him. People who claim say them are my friend. Turn them back. Now come a, them now come a court. Foreigner fly in and come a court. Them now support him. People turn them back on Kartel when Kartel they are jail. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about the same names artists. You hear Beenie Man say him dash him phone because him call Kartel 2 times and police a track him down. You understand? Me hear Ayatien give me a story where him say him go look for Kartel. And when time him go look for Kartel, and the same career fail. I saw him say. I mean him tell that. You understand? Ayatien say him go look for Kartel and police start target him. When I lie him tell I gun him by a Jamaica, I give the man them gun in the community. And the police them say, yeah, turn gunman. and you turn done. And that's where the blood clot thing come in, where you have to run it from Jamaica. Tell the people the truth when you talk to people. That I don't need to stop running around with the artist name and talk about blood clot. Yeah, and the artist. Oh, me go look for the artist, and nobody else never come look for the artist at jail. Yeah, you go look for him, and that you say. But me never hear your name the pan of paperwork going to look for him. Me never even hear Cartel say you did come look for him. Why me? You go look for him, but you never did make it at the part where you have to visit him. All you not liar, you know. You come up with all kind of life to look good. But you go look for Cartel and you wait. You're not going to run into no man and you wait for Cartel link you for put you on stage. For what? For what? You not pussy. You not real. Not found a boy in a good artist or some fake artist, some fake friend. None of you never go link the man after 13 years. The man there jail. And the man put in him time, put in him hard work. The man sick with it in time of going to jail, going to court, back and forth. Them that try kill the man. Them a try poison the man, slow poison the man, and they kill him and try kill half of the man. The man come out here so sick. And uno still turn round now. I come go on like say, they uno have one loyalty blood cleat paperwork on the sign with the man. Yeah? Uno not have no loyalty paperwork on the sign with the man. So uno never did loyal to the man. Oh, nobody not bash them artists, yeah? Whenever they show up for Cartel, when Cartel they behind bars for 13 years. Cartel they in a jail for 13 years. And the artists them will never look for him. Cartel no need to give them no strength. Them for go suck their mother. You hear me? None of them will never look for him within that time. First of all, Cartel has some man never did friend before him go to jail. And when him there jail, them still keep the energy there. Until the man come out and start make back money. They run in and run go around the man and try to say them can bust back themselves. All of this was because of what they are trying to gain for themselves. Them artists and now do nothing for help Cartel. Everybody are trying to say them can put themselves back out there. Everybody. You think that them would have give Cartel the same chance? Where Cartel give them? Cartel do 13 years and them sure Cartel said them would have never ever send commissary. Them would have never come visit him. Them sure Cartel you need to check in a youth. Them people them will never come visit you. Whenever they come check by you. Aishana do it. Come hear him say Aishana did that and more. And don't forget, Cartel say actually he might go do a series with him wife. A reality series with him wife. That sound good. Big up yourself on that. And do remember, say, the album is coming to that part where you can purchase that album. Pre-order this album on Wednesday. God and Time album is out for pre-order. Out for pre-order. You understand?